Hi beautiful people, welcome once again. Today we are going to look at how to prepare a smoothie of grapes smoothie. Well, what we shall need is we shall need 1 banana, 1 glass or cup of grapes, red grapes, a quarter of yogurt, plain yogurt, and then milk. We shall do a quarter of the cup or a glass. We slice up our banana to make it easy to be grated. We put our grapes first in the blender. As you can see, we put in our yogurt, a quarter of the cup or glass. Now we can put in our banana, sliced banana. And lastly, we are going to put in a quarter of milk. A quarter cup of milk. So guys, we are going to blend our mixture. Join me as we blend. See how it looks. I can't wait to taste this. We blend. Our grapes smoothie is ready, as you can see. Look at that. Look at that, guys. We can now pour our smoothie into the glass. Looks good. See that? Well, guys, I'm going to taste on your behalf. Trust me, you would love to begin your day, every day of your life, with this smoothie. Well, guys, thank you for being here, and do not forget to always subscribe, like, share, comment, hit the bell button on my channel. Bye bye.